Imagine for a moment you're gazing at the largest building ever constructed by humankind. Now multiply that size by a trillion times. Even then, you wouldn't come close to the scale of the most astonishing and impossible structure existing in our universe, the Sloan Great Wall. This cosmic megastructure spans 1.37 billion light-years in length. To put that into perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take over 1 billion years just to cross it from one end to the other. But here's what will truly blow your mind. According to everything we know about physics and cosmology, this structure simply shouldn't exist. Welcome back, cosmic explorers. I'm your guide on this journey through the deepest mysteries of the universe. And today we're diving into a discovery that literally broke the rules of cosmic physics. We'll uncover how a structure larger than physically possible exists in our universe, why scientists were in shock when they found it, and what this revolutionary discovery means for our understanding of everything that is. Prepare for a journey that goes from a completely accidental discovery to the very limits of what we thought we knew about the cosmos, and a special message for our incredible community. We're building something extraordinary here at Cosmic Frontiers, moving together towards our first 1,000 cosmic explorers. Every one of you is a part of this journey of discovery. It was the year 2003, and a group of astronomers was doing something that seemed quite routine, mapping distant galaxies using data from the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. Imagine they were like cosmic cartographers, drawing a three-dimensional map of the universe, galaxy by galaxy. They expected to find what we always found, galaxies relatively uniformly scattered throughout space, with some concentrations here and there, but nothing out of the ordinary. Then something impossible appeared in their data. As they plotted the positions of the galaxies, a gigantic structure began to form before their eyes. It wasn't just a galaxy cluster, not even a supercluster. It was a colossal wall of galaxies extending across the observable universe like an impossible cosmic barrier. To grasp the magnitude of this discovery, let's use an analogy. Imagine you're mapping all the cities on Earth from space. You'd expect to find cities scattered across continents, some concentrations in certain regions. But suddenly you discover there's a single megacity stretching from North America to Asia, crossing all oceans. That would be impossible on Earth, and in the universe, the Sloan Great Wall seemed equally impossible. The structure they discovered contains tens of thousands of galaxies organized into a wall that stretches for 1.37 billion light-years in length, 1 billion light-years in width, but only 150 million light-years in thickness. It's as if the universe built a gigantic paper-thin wall made of galaxies. And here's the first mystery. How can something so thin in one direction be so incredibly vast in the other too? But the discovery was only beginning to reveal its true strangeness. When scientists calculated how long it would take for a structure of this size to form, they reached a disturbing conclusion. There hadn't been enough time in the universe's history for it to happen. Here we arrive at the heart of the mystery, and to understand it, we need to grasp how the universe operates on its grandest scales. Since the Big Bang, approximately 13.8 billion years ago, the universe has been expanding and cooling. In the beginning, matter was distributed almost uniformly throughout space, with only tiny variations in density. These minuscule differences were the seeds that, over billions of years, grew to form the structures we see today: stars, galaxies, galaxy clusters. But there's a fundamental limit to how large these structures can grow, and this limit is imposed by the universe's own age and the speed of light. This concept is called the cosmological horizon. Imagine you're trying to organize a gigantic flash mob, but you can only send messages at the speed of light. The larger the area you want to cover, the more time you need to coordinate all participants. In the universe, gravity is this organizing force, but it's also limited by the speed of light. To form the Sloan Great Wall, regions separated by over 1 billion light-years would have needed to communicate gravitationally to organize into this coherent structure. But when we do the calculations, we find there hasn't been enough time since the Big Bang for gravitational signals to travel these distances and organize matter in such a coordinated way. It's like discovering someone built a bridge connecting to continents using only stone tools and having only 1 year to complete the work. The numbers just don't add up. Let's put this into an even more impressive perspective. If our galaxy, the Milky Way, were the size of a coin, the Sloan Great Wall would be like a wall stretching across the entire width of the United States. And remember, this wall isn't made of bricks or concrete, but of entire galaxies. each containing hundreds of billions of stars. The discovery of the Sloan Great Wall forced cosmologists to rethink some of their most fundamental assumptions about how the universe works. There are several theories attempting to explain its existence, each more fascinating than the last. One possibility is that our understanding of dark matter is incomplete. Dark matter constitutes about 85% of all matter in the universe, but it's still profoundly mysterious. Perhaps there are properties of dark matter we haven't yet discovered, properties that would allow for the formation of larger structures than we thought possible. Another theory suggests that we might be observing evidence of physics beyond the current standard model. Perhaps there are fundamental forces we don't yet fully comprehend, or perhaps gravity itself behaves differently on extreme cosmic scales. One of the most intriguing explanations involves the concept of cosmic inflation. This theory proposes that, in the first moments after the Big Bang, the universe underwent a period of incredibly rapid exponential expansion. During this period, microscopic quantum fluctuations were amplified to cosmic scales. Perhaps the Sloan Great Wall is the result of a particularly large fluctuation during this inflationary period. But here's something even more impressive. The Sloan Great Wall might not be alone. Since its discovery, astronomers have found other megastructures that defy our expectations. There's the Large Quasar Group, a circular structure of gamma-ray bursts 5 billion light-years in diameter. There's also the Boat's Void, a region of space so empty it's called the Great Nothing, spanning 330 million light-years in diameter. These discoveries suggest that the universe may be a much more structured and organized place on large scales than we ever imagined. It's as if we're discovering that the cosmos has a secret architecture, a master plan we don't yet fully comprehend. And here's a reflection that deeply fascinates me. The Sloan Great Wall has existed for billions of years, long before Earth existed, long before any form of life emerged on our planet. This impossible structure was there, silently defying the laws of physics, waiting for beings like us to evolve and develop enough technology to discover it. This leads us to a profound philosophical question. How many other impossible structures exist out there, waiting to be discovered? How many other cosmic mysteries are challenging our understanding of the universe, hidden in the depths of space? The discovery of the Sloan Great Wall is more than just an astronomical curiosity. It represents a fundamental moment in human science, one of those rare instances where the universe forces us to admit that we know far less than we thought. It's a humble reminder that, no matter how far we've advanced in our understanding of the cosmos, we are still explorers in a vastly uncharted territory. This discovery also perfectly illustrates how science truly works. It's not a linear process of confirming existing theories. It's a journey full of surprises, where every new discovery can potentially revolutionize our understanding of everything. The Sloan Great Wall teaches us that the universe is stranger, more complex, and more wonderful than our boldest imagination. So, cosmic explorers, here we are, confronted with one of the most impressive and mysterious structures ever discovered, a cosmic wall of galaxies that defies our fundamental understanding of how the universe works. We've learned that this 1.37 billion light-year megastructure simply shouldn't exist according to our current theories, that its discovery was completely accidental, and that it represents just the tip of the iceberg of cosmic mysteries yet to be unveiled. This discovery reminds us that we are living in a universe still brimming with secrets, a cosmos that continues to surprise and challenge our understanding with every new observation. The Sloan Great Wall is not just an impossible structure, it's an invitation to keep exploring, questioning, and marveling at the grandeur of the universe that surrounds us. When I look up on a starry night and think of the Sloan Great Wall, I feel a mix of awe and humility. Awe at the absolute magnificence of the universe, and humility in realizing how small we are before this immensity. But I also feel hope, because every mystery like this reminds us that there is still so much to discover, so much to learn, so many cosmic frontiers yet to be explored. Cosmic explorers, let me leave you with a question to ponder. If impossible structures like the Sloan Great Wall truly exist, what other cosmic surprises might be waiting for us in the depths of the universe? Share your thoughts in the comments. I love reading your theories and reflections on these cosmic mysteries. And since we're talking about the mysteries of the universe, what cosmic enigma would you like me to discuss in the next video? Supermassive black holes, dark energy, the multiverse? Leave your suggestions in the comments, because our journey of discovery is built together with you. We're on an incredible journey towards 1,000 cosmic explorers, and each of you makes this community stronger and our exploration of the universe richer. If this video expanded your cosmic horizons and sparked your curiosity about the mysteries of the universe, join our crew by clicking subscribe. Like this video if it made you look at the universe with new eyes, and share it with someone who's also fascinated by the secrets of the cosmos. In the next video, we'll dive into another mystery that challenges our understanding of reality. So turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Until then, keep looking up, keep questioning, and remember, in a universe where impossible structures like the Sloan Great Wall truly exist, perhaps there are no limits to the wonders yet to be discovered. The cosmos is full of surprises, and we're just beginning to explore them.